The president-elect Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah has challenged the journalists to investigate claims that Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF had influence in Namibia's recent elections. Sanapena mashoko atona kuti aiwa the female president-elect weNamibia obudatara mashoko aiwa anoshoka vanhu achiti aiwa majournalists tsvakai information inoratidza kuti those elections aiwa anga neinterference yeZANU-PF. Sanapena mashoko anodanyorwa panapa kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Timuda pahindo panapa the Namibia anodanyora achiti she said this at a press conference in Windhoek on Thursday, 2 days after she was announced the winner of the 2024 presidential election. I hope there are investigative journalists in the country. If you are there, please put in efforts, team together, and investigate this issue, Ndaitwah said. According to a media reports alleging ZANU-PF's interference in Namibia's elections are part of a failed campaign against a party. It has failed dismally. We are here, we have won. The government is under our control and it will continue to be in our control ever after, she said. In the span of a year, ZANU-PF has been accused of interfering in the elections of Botswana, Namibia, and Mozambique. The latter has been flagging by the civil unrest following disputed elections last month. There have also been allegations that ZANU-PF had a hand in Zambia's elections and those of South Africa. Domashoko anobuda achonka kuti aiwa the regime yachakuzwa kuti aiwa interference yayo mumapose aiwa emacountries yakanyanyisa. Zvatona kuti the critics varikuva vachitoargua kuti nezvitiko zvakaitika kuti aiwa those elections akanga ari shanu zvakanyanyisa kuti maballot papers anoshota nezvimwe zvakadaro zvakaitika. Vanhu vari kutouya vachitodrowa kuti aiwa the regime yakanga iriko pakumedla ma-elections kana mapose ekuNamibia. Kunyange zvake aiwa the president-elect ari kuramba achiti aiwa vakoma majournalist pindai munoinvestigata, muripo vanhu vari professional. Tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vapinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.